Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. So this video will be covering the concepts of checkboxes and radio buttons into our Flutter application. So both of these widgets are built in Flutter, so you don't need to you don't need to install any kind of package for that. So first we will look up to the checkbox widget. So works with a bool variable. So first we have to create an instance of bool. I will create a bool instance of, let's say, my course and keep it to false. And I will create a function which will toggle this my course bool variable. Toggle course. Provide the bool and pass it like this. Sorry, I forgot to wrap it with set state. Now in the body of our scaffold, here I will create my checkbox. Checkbox requires a value which we will pass this instance, and on the onChange function I have already created a function. We will just pass this function. For the value, let's pass my course, and for the onChanged, it requires a single parameter, and I will return this function with the value. So because of the null safety, I have to provide this exclamation mark. Let's start the app. So the application has been started, and when I click this box and when I uncheck, when I tick, when I uncheck, it is working properly. But right now this checkbox has no title or subtitle present. How will a user know that what kind of checkbox it is and what it is representing? So instead of checkbox, a better widget is CheckboxListTile, which works like a list tile. Now I can provide a title to it. Let's say for course. Hot reload, and now it is looking fine. So let's work with multiple checkboxes. So I will create another box. Let's name it as second course. And now I will pass the parameter bool course, and I will pass it like this, course. And for the value, okay, so let's work with multiple checkboxes. So I will create another instance, let's say second course, and I will create another function toggle second, and I will provide this second course. Guys, we will keep it as simple as possible, and I will just copy this widget and pass second course toggle second one. Hot reload, and yes, we are able to tick and untick both of them successfully. So here I will end up the checkbox part, and now we will work with radio buttons. Format the code. Yes, now it's fine. I will wrap this list view with a padding so it looks better when applied some padding. Just as checkbox works with bool variable, radio button works with integer value. Separate the UIs for both radio. Let's say I have 4 to 5 countries mentioned, out of which I have to select which country I am from. Integer selected country. I'll mention for now 1. So to use the radio widget, write radio. Radio requires 3 parameters: value, group value, and on change. And every widget, each radio widget has unique values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively, and the group value which we have applied here. We will switch these, we will switch this integer value. So first value would be 1. Group value, I will use selected country. And on the on change, I haven't used any function. I will use it like change country. Pass on the integer. Use the same approach, set state. And select this selected country equals I. And on the on change, the approach is same as checkbox, just there's a change of data type. And change country and provide this value. The argument type object can't be assigned to parameter type integer. When you encounter this kind of error, use it like as and apply integer. Your error has been resolved. Hot reload. We are having a radio button, but we don't know that what title is this radio having. So there is, for checkbox there is checkbox list tile. For radio there is no radio button list tile. So I will create it with a list tile. It would look fine. For list tile, for the title I'll say Pakistan. And for the list tile trailing, hot reload. Yes, it's fine. I will create 3 more radio buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say India. Let's say Russia. Let's say Iran. Change the values 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. All the other stuff remains the same. When I hot reload and when I toggle any of these radios, you can see it's changing quite efficiently. So this is how we can work with checkboxes and radio buttons. So here guys, I will wind up this video. I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel if you like my content. And please check out my other videos. I have 2 to 3 playlists available on my channel, and if you like my content, then click subscribe and click that notification bell. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.